Thinking about starting a vending business? Whether you want a side hustle or a full-time income, vending can be a profitable and low-maintenance business. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to get started step by step. First, decide what type of vending machine you want to start with. There are snack machines, best for offices, school, and high-traffic locations. Drink machines, sells sodas, energy drinks, and water. Combo machines, offer both snacks and drinks in one unit. Healthy vending organic snacks and drinks, great for gyms and schools. Bulk candy machines, low cost, high margin, and easy to manage. Each type has its own benefits, so think about your budget and your target location. The success of your vending business depends on location. Great locations include offices. Employees need snacks during breaks. Schools and colleges. Students love quick snacks and drinks. Gyms and fitness centers, perfect for healthy vending. Shopping malls. High foot traffic means more sales. Gas stations and hotels. 24/7 customers looking for quick bites. Pro tip, offer businesses a small commission or free service in exchange for space. Now it's time to get your machine. You have two options. Buy new higher upfront cost but comes with warranties and tech support. Buy used, more affordable, but make sure it's in good working condition. Check sites like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and vending suppliers for deals. Now let's talk about products. The best-selling vending items include drinks like water, sodas, energy drinks, and iced tea. For snacks, think chips, chocolate bars, nuts, and protein bars. And don't forget healthy options such as trail mix, granola bars, and dried fruit. Always watch your sales and adjust based on customer demand. To maximize profits, set competitive prices while keeping costs low. Cash only? You'll need a coin and bill acceptor. Card and mobile payments? Invest in a cashless payment system like Nayax or PayRange. More people use cards than cash today. Your vending machine won't run itself. To keep sales high, you need to check inventory regularly. Restock popular items. Clean and sanitize your machine. A clean machine attracts more customers. Fix any issues quickly. Malfunctioning machines lose money. Once you've mastered one machine, scale up. Expand to multiple locations to increase income. Negotiate better deals with suppliers to cut costs. Use vending software to track sales remotely. Starting a vending business is easier than you think. With the right location, machine, and products, you can build a profitable vending empire. Want more vending tips? Subscribe for more guides and business advice. Like, comment, and share if you found this helpful.